ketchup, mayo, garlic, and a little bit of salt, and you have mayo ketchup. And why am I making mayo ketchup? Because I'm making tostones. I was supposed to make this for the party yesterday, and that was one of the things that I didn't get to. But today I'm making it, because if you don't cook the plátanos, then they go to waste. And I like sweet plantains, but I like tostones more. But see, this is what it looks like. I put a little bit more ketchup. Go by taste, and I love lots of garlic. Guys, so I fried the tostones. This is the first step. You have to fry them. They look a little bit golden. And then you may say, Maria, I don't have a tostonera, which is this thing that flattens this plantain. I don't either. So look, you take foil paper. I grab like a good sized piece, and you fold it like so. Okay? Now you have your ghetto homemade. Don't worry, be happy. You have a tostonera. And you put it in here, you see? And you squeeze it. I have a can. And then voila, watch this. Bam! Tostones, tostones, dun, 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 dun. Don't come at me for not having a tostonera. My mom was supposed to get one for me when she went to Puerto Rico and didn't. So if you are visiting Puerto Rico and you want to get me one, it's on my wish list. Get me a tostonera. So I don't have to be this ghetto. My improv tostonera. And now these are the tostones that need to be refried once again. Very important that you refry them again. Don't eat them like this. It's not gonna be nice and crunchy. It's not gonna taste good. All right, this is like my favorite garlic presser. I had new ones and they suck. This one is like Swiss, old school, and it gets the job done. When you mince garlic, all the key nutrients, the fighting antibacterial agents come out, so it's better to eat garlic minced. And this makes the mayo ketchup taste so spicy and delicious. If you don't have, I put 3, man. I like garlic. It's like, some people put 1, but I like it really spicy. I like it with a bite. So, you know, you could do 1 clove of garlic, 2 cloves. I did 3. That's just me. See, as you can see, there's the ketchup. Oh, let's add a little bit of salt. Bam. Let's see. Oh, it's perfect. It's perfect. This is corn oil. People do canola. I guess you could do coconut oil too, but I didn't have coconut oil. So vegetable oil could be used. You just want to fry this. I know I don't often eat fried food, but these are an exception for today. So we're here. I was supposed to make this for my friends. I just want to put them all in. Second fried.
So here we have it. Oh yeah. Give me some of that sauce. Some garlic. Yum. All right, these are tostones. With the mayo ketchup. Save some sauce for me.